Hello Retoucher, so welcome to my channel once again. So in this tutorial video we are going to be retouching this picture. Okay, so this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so you get notified anytime I drop a video. Okay, so without much ado, we are going to be taking this step by step to get this results. Okay, so as you can see, before, after. Okay, so let's retouch this picture. Okay, making use of this my all-in-one retouching preset right here to retouch this picture. Okay, so and we'll be making use of the median frequency separation there. Okay, so the median frequency separation is the second frequency separation in this my pack. So if you haven't downloaded this my all-in-one retouching preset yet, you can check the link in my channel description. Okay, so that download and make your work fast and easier. Okay, so we use the medium frequency separation. Okay, so it has load, then pause here. Okay, enable us to choose the amount of medium blur to use. Okay, so now let's drive. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I think 12 is okay. 12 is okay for this image, so I click OK. So in my previous videos, I've explained over and over again what you need to look after when you are applying your blur. Okay, so in this video we're going straight to retouching of this picture right here. Okay, so this frequency separation is quite different from the one of Gaussian blur. This one we use the median blur. Okay, so let's retouch this picture. Okay, you can see the way I'm brushing. Okay, so up here, this is the settings I'm using. This is my normal settings. My weight is on 60, my load is on 60, my mix is 100, and my flow is 60. Okay, so if you have the settings that works for you, you can use your settings. You can as well try my settings. Okay, it's not bad to learn new things. Okay, so let's retouch this picture and beautify it more. So if you're watching this tutorial and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, share, drop a comment. Okay, so this video is for educational purpose for this tutorial, so I don't have copyright of this picture. Big shout out to the photographer. So guys, you can see the way I'm retouching this image. Sorry, you can see the way I'm retouching this image. So I try everything possible to make it look realistic and more beautiful. Okay, okay, when you are retouching, don't forget to always zoom in and zoom out. Always check your before and after to check if you're getting it right or wrong. Okay, so let's check the before and after. This is our before and this is after. Okay, so we are getting it right actually. So let's continue mixing. Okay, don't forget you increase and decrease your brush size depending on the area you are working on. Okay, you can see this is before, after. Okay, so the picture is looking so sweet now and also realistic, but this is not the end. Okay, so let's mix it more. Okay, so we're almost there. And remember, guys, when you are retouching, always make sure that you follow the facial structure, body structure. Okay, you follow how the body is. So when you are done retouching, the picture will still look the same. Okay, so I think, yeah, I'm okay with this retouching right here. This is before and this is after. So I need to remove these stubborn spots that is still on her face. Okay, so to remove the spot, I will make sure that the texture layer is active. Okay, as you can see, the median texture layer is active because this separated the textures from the tone. So the textures, they are on its own layer, which is this texture layer. Okay, so now make it active and pick my clone stamp tool. Use my alternative and sample from good side, then paint on the spot to remove them. You click alternative and left click your mouse to sample from good side. Click alternative together, you left click on your mouse. Then once you sample, you release alternative and click on the spots to remove it. Not just spots, any unwanted something that you want to remove from the picture. Whether wrinkles, blemishes, hairs, lines. So this is how you can remove it after retouching. And also remember, there are many ways to do this in Photoshop. Okay, so but this is one of the professional way to do it. Okay, so this is nice. This is looking beautiful. This is nice. So what I will do next is to merge this frequency separation group, Control E. Okay, so this is before and this is after. As you can see, it's beautiful and also looking realistic. Okay, so I'll take this picture to, let me duplicate it, Control J. I'll take it to liquify. I want to reshape the face a little. So I go here. So here I drag the face a little. Okay, so this is nice. Nice. Okay, so the next thing I will do is to skin tone this image right here. Okay, so and to do that, I will take this image to camera raw filter. Okay, so I take this image here, camera raw filter. So here in camera raw filter, I'll make use of the features here. As you can see, if you go to this preset icon here, you will see adaptive portrait. Okay, so if your Photoshop don't have these features or camera raw filter, that means you need to update your camera raw filter. Okay, so I go to enhance portrait. So with these features, these are AI features, you know. So with these features, you can actually get a perfect result with these features. So you update your camera raw filter and or you update your Photoshop to access these features. Okay, as you can see, this is the enhanced portrait. So I increase it a little. I move to glamour portrait. So I increase it a little. As you can see, to increase the glamours on the picture. So I move to enhance eyes. Okay, for the sake of the eyes, I increase it a little. So I move to the darken eyebrow here. Okay, as you can see, the eyebrow is darkened. So now I move to adaptive subjects. Okay, so let me check the what they have here. So this is pop, as you can see, and this is warm pop. Okay, this is light. This is warm light here, and this is contrast and soft. So let's go to pop here. Pop is nice. Pop is nice, or we can also use light. Let's use lights. Okay, so I move back to edit here. So here in edit, I move to color here. So here I drive this yellow to blue a little. Drive it a little to blue here. Okay, so the vibrancy, I increase it a little, and I move to highlight here and add this black a little. Okay, so this is nice. Then I move to the detail here and add a little sharpening. This is nice. Okay, so I click OK. So this is it. We have already adjusted this and skin tone this. So, and looking at this, it affects the eyeball here. Okay, so what I will do is to pick my eraser tool here, increase the brush size to the size of the eyes here, and just click on it, as you can see, to erase it from the eyes. Okay, so now this color is okay, it's looking beautiful, but I need to spice it up a little. So I click on color balance. Color balance here, add a little magenta. Okay, yeah, this magenta is looking sweet on it. So this is cool. So let me merge it together. Control E. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. So beautiful. Okay, so guys, this is it for this tutorial. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next tutorial, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get notified anytime I drop a new tutorial.